Inflation is one of the biggest threats to wealth, especially for retirees who've worked hard to build their savings. But there's good news. Today, I'm going to share some of the best passive income ideas to help you not just keep up with inflation, but actually beat it. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, and especially if you've got 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, stick around for an opportunity to learn why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. Let's dive in, and I'll show you how you can take action now to secure your future and find some solid passive income opportunities. The first strategy to beat inflation is investing in real estate. Real estate can generate passive income through rental properties, especially in growing markets where demand continues to rise. You can collect rent checks while the property potentially appreciates. But here's the catch. Owning physical property can be expensive upfront, with high down payments and management headaches. That's where real estate investment trusts, REITs, come into play. With REITs, you get exposure to real estate without the hassles of direct ownership. You'll be able to diversify your portfolio with real estate assets that generate income with far less capital. But keep in mind, while REITs can be great, they don't give you the same protection against inflation as a gold IRA does. Another passive income idea to consider is dividend-paying stocks. These stocks pay you a portion of their profits on a regular basis, and if you pick the right ones, they can be a stable source of income. Think of it as getting paid just for holding the stock. However, stock market volatility can wipe out your gains in a downturn. If you're looking for something more stable, gold IRAs should be top of your list. Unlike stocks, gold tends to hold its value over time and has historically been a safe haven during inflationary periods. If you've got a retirement portfolio over 100K, this could be a smart way to not only generate passive income, but protect your wealth against the erosion of inflation. Next up, let's talk about peer-to-peer lending. Through platforms that connect borrowers and lenders, you can earn interest on your money by lending it to individuals or small businesses. The upside is you get a great return, sometimes even more than traditional savings accounts or bonds. But there are risks involved, as some loans may default. When it comes to passive income with minimal risk, a gold IRA offers significant stability. Gold historically outperforms inflation, and by using a gold IRA, you're diversifying into an asset that doesn't rely on the creditworthiness of a borrower. If you're interested in creating passive income, you might want to explore creating digital products like ebooks or online courses. These products have the potential to sell over and over again without you having to constantly work for that income. However, creating and marketing digital products does require an upfront investment of time and effort, which means it's not as truly hands-off as some might think. When it comes to a more stable, long-term passive income idea, you can always rely on a gold IRA. It requires very little maintenance and provides long-term inflation-resistant growth. Before we move on, if you're really serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to get your free guide on why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to secure their savings against inflation. It's a must-read for anyone looking to protect what they've worked so hard for, especially for American retirees. Let's round out some options that could fit your passive income goals. You could consider investing in a high-yield savings account or a certificate of deposit, CD. These are low-risk, low-reward investments, but the returns won't keep up with inflation. They are safe, yes, but gold IRAs offer much more robust protection against rising prices over time. By allocating your wealth to precious metals within an IRA, you're ensuring your retirement funds outpace inflation, even in uncertain times. To sum up, whether it's through real estate, dividends, peer-to-peer lending, or digital products, there are numerous ways to build passive income. But for American retirees with over 100K in savings, or even 5-mailers, nothing comes close to the protection and growth potential of a gold IRA. If you want to make sure your savings don't lose value to inflation, then this is a strategy you simply can't ignore. So, if you want to secure your wealth for the long term, click the first link in the description below and get your free guide to gold IRAs. This free guide will help you take the right steps in diversifying your wealth and protecting it from inflation. Don't wait. Act now before inflation eats away any more of your savings. Remember, passive income is great, but inflation-proofing your wealth is essential. Gold IRAs give you that edge.